again out to venture to see what needs to be done. Jerry shoveled already this morning some more, and snow blowers were out. So we're going to go out and venture. Come on with us. Still a little treacherous. No mail. Same old, same old.
This is the day after.
We still have a lot of wind, and at times a lot of blowing. These are some of our mounds of snow. Piled up. Here comes a big gust of wind.
Should we send some of this to Vancouver? They could use it.
Yeah, they don't have any snow. They're getting rain for the Olympics.
This is our street. We got one lane now. As you can see.
And I would guess that would be Jim that did that, because he plows there.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people still digging out.
You can see the snow on the roof of the house.
We're almost down to pavement.
Yes. As you can see, if I put the camera down lower, and you can kind of see basically how deep we look here. You can see all the way down. It's almost like a tunnel. Got some high walls of snow. And here comes somebody venturing.
Trying to get around that truck.
Got a little room on that side. We got more room on this side. Of course, I have to pull out and Becky gets in down at the street level. We'll go back here.
Yesterday my fingers stuck to the thing.
Oh. There's our swing set. And as you can see,
we are now not blowing so hard.
There's our picnic table covered. And you can see the butterfly bush sticking out of the snow.
Dwayne's holly bush trees, a little bit sticking out.
You can see some of the leaves sticking out. And then there's the grill. Can't get to that for a while.
No, we're not grilling for a while. We can't get out on the back porch.
There's our rocking chair, you see. Go sit in a rocking chair.
I don't think anybody's rocking right now. No rocking. I don't even think we're taking trash out for a while.
No, trash
Can't
aren't
find a
even
trash
coming.
can. There's no trash pickup.
And you can see it's getting some of the thaw. You see the icicles dripping. And we're just waiting for this to just come on off.
Without taking the roof down or the gutters. Too high to get up there to clear it off. our meter cleared as BG&E told us to.
Yes.
And Verizon.
Mm-hmm.
You can see here the corner where the fence is. That's how deep it is. Up through the fence.
I never thought I'd live to see another snow like this.
Well, honey, I just heard it might be 8 inches on Monday night into Tuesday. Maybe.
Yeah.
Is this where the little avalanche was, where a little bit of snow fell?
Over there. No, the other side.
Oh, this side, yeah, the bushes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's gonna be more of that happening.
And
Pretty messy.
there's our icicles hanging off the roof, coming off the gutters.
Pine Tree doesn't have as much snow on as it had on originally either.
No. But this is our winter wonderland. This is the day after the big snow. We've got a total of about close to 50 inches, I would say.
52 inches. About 52 inches.
See how high it is next to the car. Some of that is piled up. But yeah, stand over there where the snow is. There you go.
Make a snow angel? Don't think so.
Okay.
I'm staying dry today. See you later.
I'll do it.
As Dwayne would say, love ya, see ya. All right, Jerry, what do you think of this?
I think this is a lot of snow. Until next time we get some more snow, we'll let you see that one too.
Hope you enjoy them as much as we do.
Yes, indeedy. Bye.